Hello and welcome to the ultimate GTAV modding series. Today we've got not one, not two, but three Ford cars. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get started. We have the Ford Mustang 2015, we have the Ford Raptor 2017, and we have the Ford Mustang, the Police Edition. After downloading all the files, extract them separately. Let's go ahead and open OpenIV, which you can download from this video. You are going to need a mods folder, which if you don't know how to make, you can check out this video, but if you already have it, let's go ahead and open it. Go to update x64 DLC pack, and let's go ahead into each car file and drag and drop it. Make sure to click on edit mode first and go ahead and drag and drop it. Now let's go back into the update folder and click on update.rpf, common data, and scroll down into the DLC list.xml and click on edit. Open each text file for each car to grab the line of code that we're going to be putting in the DLC list.xml. We're gonna have this one, this, and this. Click on save. Here are all the spawn names for the cars, and let's go ahead and open GTA. So I just teleported to the online garage to showcase the cars. Let's go ahead and spawn our first car, which is called MGT. Here we go, the Ford Mustang 2015. It looks epic. I mean, I'm not a cars guy, I don't really understand in them, but I think this is extremely spectacular. If my brother was here, he would probably tell me to tint the window, and oh my god, wow! This looks epic! Wow! This is epic. What was the initial color? Yeah, it was red. This one looks epic. It's kind of purple-ish, but it's blue. It's bright blue. Oh, we didn't look at the interior. Wait, did they change the POV? Because I think it's kind of increased. I don't know why Franklin's knee is inside the steering wheel, but it still looks awesome. Do you know what? If anyone gonna gift me something, gift me this car in real life. I would accept it. So let's go ahead and spawn our second car, Police GT 350R. Oh hey, no, I think the black is the one intended for it. That was very professional. What is this? Is that Windows XP? Wait, this is pretty old. Let's spawn the last car, the Raptor 2017. The one in the picture was blue, but I like this one more. But I wanna check the blue one. Oh, does it randomly upgrade the car? Because I would never really be able to upgrade it myself. Huh. Let's stick with this one. Can we remove this trash? That's a little bit better. But you know what? I really want it to be black. Okay, so we have these three Ford cars. Did I check the interior of this one? Pretty basic. I mean, I've never seen an interior of Ford Raptor in real life, so I'm not sure if I'm criticizing the car or the car mod. So let's go for a ride. Okay, let's go here and fill the menu, teleport to the waypoint. Wow, man. Damn. I mean, the game's still rendering, but damn, boy. Car go speed. Car go fast. Like I said, I'm not really a cars guy, but this looks insane to me. Oh, the handling as well. This is actually one of the best cars that I've put in this playlist. This car looks awesome, and I'm not sure if this is the best color even. Like, let's try other colors. So hot pink is not bad for racing, but if you're more of a classic guy, I think you would prefer, let's say, oh, look at the yellow one. The race yellow is epic. Okay, I want to buy this car in real life. If you gift it to me, I would take it. Oh, let's spawn our last car. Oh, the second car, the Raptor 2017. Let's go. This looks, I mean, it looks better in the garage. I think it's kind of small. Look at it compared to this one. I thought this was bigger. That's what she said. Oh wait, I just remembered something. If I kill someone, let's say this lady. Hi lady, why did she change her direction? Hey lady. And then go to the F9 mode. I can hold her. No! How do I put her up? Oh no. Yeah. And then come here. Yeah. No. Okay. Touch her slightly. Just don't fall out of the car. Yeah! Let's go! We got her! We got her! Let's go! Let's go! That's epic! Now I love this car! Why's her boot getting out of the car though? No! No! My buddy! Come here! Come here! I can't put her up. I need to something to. Yeah. Okay. Wow, that was epic. That was epic. You heard it first, boys. This is my favorite car. What is this? What is this? Okay, forget about this. This is not my favorite car. What is this? I've never seen that before. This is not even a mod. Is that vanilla gameplay? Can people walk around with this kind of car? Why is it so good? Oh man, I like it. I've never seen this animation before. But oh my god, wow, I love this. I've never seen that before. Do you still have our body in the trunk? Okay, I still like this car. I really want to transition to the last car, but I'm so happy that I have a body here. Let's go for a... Ah! Okay, you've seen enough. Go ahead and spawn our last car. The Ford Mustang Police Edition 2016. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm the coolest police out there. Are you kidding me? Did you just mess with me? Come here, lady. You wasted all of my bullets. Why don't you die? Oh, I killed your mother. Okay, come on. I killed your mother and you're trying to escape? Man up, boys. Oh my god. I'm so sorry for you, lady. You didn't have a man. Okay, a motorcycle. Can I put that in the Raptor? Let's go! Oh no, we need to drive carefully. No! Stay here! Stay! What is happening? Oh no, that's sad. Man, Natural Vision Evolved, the graphics mod, is the best. I do recommend that you go and install it. So alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and check out this video or this video or this video or this playlist. Thank you and I hope you enjoyed the video.